Optical instruments. HI directly proportion theta. Visual angle. Angle subtended by object on eye. Simple microscope. Theta naught is equal to h upon d. Theta naught visual angle with the naked eye. H is equal to height of object. D is equal to least distance for clean vision. Theta is equal to h upon v. Visual angle with microscope. M is equal to theta upon theta naught. Visual angle with instrument upon visual angle with the naked eye. An object is at d. Magnifying power or angular magnifications of microscope. When image is formed at the d, md is equal to in bracket 1 plus d upon f. When microscope kept at the distance from eye, m infinity is equal to d minus a upon f. md is equal to 1 plus d minus a upon f. Compound microscope. Fe greater than f naught. D is greater than d naught. Diameter of object. Diameter of eyepiece. Theta naught is equal to h upon d. H upon d. Visual angle with the naked eye. Theta is equal to a b upon ue. Visual angle with the compound microscope. M is equal to vo upon u in bracket d upon ue. Second method for the calculate magnifying power of compound microscope. M compound is equal to mo into me is equal to minus vo upon uo into d upon ue. Case 1. Final image is formed at the infinity. L is equal to vo plus be. Mu naught distance of object from objective. B naught is equal to distance of AB from objective. Case 2. Final image is formed at D. BE ये दूरी AB की है आई पीस से. L is equal to VO plus UE. MD is equal to minus VO upon U in bracket 1 plus D upon FE. Telescope used to see distant object as stars, planet. It is astronomical telescope. F naught greater than Fe, D naught greater than DE. M is equal to minus F naught upon UE. Case 1. When image is formed at infinity, A B UE is equal to Fe. L is equal to F naught plus Fe. M infinity is equal to minus Fo upon Fe. Case 2. When image is formed at D, L is equal to VO plus UE. MD is equal to minus Fo upon Fe in bracket 1 plus Fe upon D. Instrument. When final image is formed at infinity. When final image is formed at D. Nature of final image. Nature of intermediate image. Simple microscope. M is infinity to D upon F. MD is equal to 1 plus D upon F. Erect and virtual. Compound microscope. M infinity is equal to VO upon UO. D upon FE. MD is equal to minus VO upon UO in bracket 1 plus D upon V upon FE. Inverted and virtual. Inverted real astronomical telescope. M infinity is equal to minus FO upon FE. MD is equal to minus FO upon FE. in bracket 1 plus Fe upon O, inverted and virtual, inverted and real. Note: in above formula, put only magnitude of VO, UO, FO, FE and D. Resolving power and resolutions limit of microscope. Resolutions limit: RL is equal to D is equal to lambda upon 2 U sin theta. Resolutions power: RP is equal to 1 upon RL is equal to 1 upon D is equal to 2 mu sin n theta upon lambda, where lambda wavelength of height, m is Ri of medium in the which object is placed, theta semi vertical angle subtended by object at the objective lens of microscope. Telescope. Resolving limit: RL is equal to del theta is equal to 1.22 lambda upon D. इस फार्मूला से एंगुलर आएगा वो रेडिएशन में होगा. रिजॉल्विंग पावर RP इज इक्वल टू 1 अपॉन D, थीटा इज इक्वल टू D अपॉन 1.22 लैम्डा. D is equal to, it is the diameter of objective lens of telescope. Angular resolving power of human eye 3.4 into 10 के power 3. RP is equal to infinity upon 1.22 lambda. Aperture of telescope.